Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure your phone is ready, One UI 7 installed and updates applied. Once done, enable Edge panels and Smart Select in settings so the circle tool appears. Then open the exact app or page you want to query. You're not setting preferences, you're launching the tool immediately. Tap the Edge handle, choose Smart Select, then pick Circle Mode. This first action captures the area you care about and primes the search pipeline. You now draw, place your finger and sweep a circle around the text or image you want. Make the circle tight to reduce noise. Once drawn, use the handles to pinch or drag edges and refine the selection. After the crop looks right, tap Search or the magnifier icon. The system sends the cropped content to the appropriate search provider and shows results in a panel. If you need alternative results, change provider in the Results panel settings. Finish by choosing an action from the results. Copy text, translate, open the web page, or share the image. Once done, make sure to close panels to return to full screen. If results don't appear, check you have internet and granted Smart Select permission to access apps, then retry. If problems persist, restart the Edge panel or clear Smart Select cache in settings. This fixes stale data and restores the circle search flow so you can try one more time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.